Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I have some really cool DIYs for you. And this one, of course, is that really cool skeleton head that we get at Dollar Tree. I have all these wonderful rhinestone gems that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to decorate this little guy. I'm putting some in his eyes, on his head. And he is going to be sparkled out. So I'm just gluing with my glue gun, my old glue gun, and I'm just pressing it on his head. He's going to look pretty blinged out. I think my whole house is pretty blingy actually. But he's looking pretty cool. I decided to use colors too, just to brighten his face up. As you can see, his eyes are sparkling because he has some rhinestone eyes. He has a little rhinestone in his nose. This is a pretty easy DIY. And the skeleton heads are really cool. So grab yourself some rhinestone gems at Hobby Lobby. They have this like really big, I guess it's like a big tub of them. But look at him. Isn't he cool? And I got this little hat at Dollar Tree. So he's going to get a hat on his head. And there he is. I think I need to name all my skeletons. I have so many, but isn't he cool looking? He is. If you have any comments below, please just ask away, or if you have something you want us to do, just comment below. Okay, number 2 of my DIY today is I'm taking these little skeleton heads that came from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue them together, which makes it really easy to put in a bowl instead of just throwing them in there. You can just get them all glued together. Going to add some Spanish moss in there. I think that's what it's called. Got that from Dollar Tree. Got the little jar from Dollar Tree. Got the skull heads from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to place him or them into the bowl, and then I am going to put them on this really cool, if you can see that little spider plate. You can put them on top of that, or you can put them with the big guy. And that's just a quick and easy one for like your table decorations. See, you can even put them in the little spider bowl. You can do a lot of different things with them. Yeah, they look really cool. Now I've got I guess the glitter ones. They're a little bit smaller than the ones I just was playing with or DIYing with. And I'm going to glue these together too. So these were all from Dollar Tree. And if you would like to subscribe, we'd love to have you as one of our people. You would just hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button, and share with your family and friends. We would absolutely adore you for that one. Yeah, I'm making it like a little pyramid. So you're just going to glue them on top of each other. That way they're always glued together. They don't fall apart unless you pull them apart. And I'm going to put some more of that Spanish moss. Or it's called, I think it's Spanish moss. I always forget what they call all of these. And then I'm going to use my little spider bowl, and I'm going to just let those be my little decorations for a table. They'd be cool for a party too. Look how cool this guy is. And that's the 16-inch ones from Dollar Tree. And that's the little spider one. And all the little glitter heads. DIY number 3. We're going to cut this pumpkin open. And I'm going to spray paint them in my garage because it was probably raining outside. As you can see, I'm making a mess. He's on a box and I'm just spraying him. Got some fur I'm going to put on his head. He's going to have some hair. I cut off that little, it's like that little attachment that you can hang him with. So I hit that off. I'm gluing his hair on. He's looking pretty sassy there. And then I'm going to stick him in this bowl. And I have to tell you that it turned out pretty creepy looking because the spray sort of made it bubble, but it made it look even more intense and gross. So I'm going to glue the hat on, and his hands are going to be glued to the hat. But you have to hold it there, because if you don't hold it there, the hand's going to fall off, and his hat's going to fall off. Sort of taking his hair and making it a little more sassy. There he is. I think he turned out pretty cool too. So I'm going to put some spiders on him. Make him a little more like wicked looking. Because, you know, he's basically in a pumpkin. Probably his pumpkin, I would say pumpkin grave. But he's holding his hat over his head. And now he's going to have spiders everywhere. How cool is that? He's tipping over a little bit. Okay, I have some of this greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby. It is from a garland that's really long. And it's kind of like it looks almost like a creepiness to it. It's like, looks like it's faded and it's old. I think it was a really long garland. And I think it was probably $10. But you get a ton of it, so it's definitely worth it. I've used it just about in all of my Halloween DIYs. I was also going to use some of my rhinestone gems. These are the ones that are like got adhesive on them. So you can pull it off, and if you don't want it for a long term, you could just put it on for like if it lasts probably a week. But if you're going to keep this for any length of time, I would definitely put some hot glue on it. Giving him some little rhinestone eyes too, because we want him to like sort of like scare you a little bit with his eyes coming out. I also have this drapey net that they have at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut a piece off. This stuff is great because it's really creepy looking, and you can shred it. Use it in your DIYs. And I'm just going to shredded over top of his hat. I mean, he looks pretty creepy. Not the creepiest one I've made, but he is creepy. There he is. He looks like he's ready to party. Pretty cool looking. And he wasn't that hard to make, guys, so you could absolutely make him. There he is again. Look how cute he is. With his brown hair and his red eyes and spiders crawling all over him. Ooh. Okay, DIY number 4 is I had this house. I use it at Christmas time too. And I'm just going to put some lights inside of it. I think it's good to have all these different like houses that you can use for every occasion, every holiday, even all year long. So I am going to put a spider. These are the clip spiders, so you could just clip them right on the house. And I have some more of that netting that is used for Halloween to sort of make it creepy looking. And that stuff really goes a long way. It really like stretches a lot and shreds a lot. It's really quite creepy. Of course, you know the little skeletons that come on the garland. I'm going to stick him in the house because he's going to hand out candy. I wish I could have found a little candy bowl. I should have looked for that. That would have been cute. And then these spiders are going to go in the house. Like I said, they have little clips, so you're just going to clip them on. It's great that Dollar Tree has these. Okay, then we have the bats, and they also have clips on them. They make it easy for us to use it in our DIYs. And then I have the big guy again. Like I said, I think he's 16 inches tall. He's going to sit on top of this house. Which you will see in a few minutes when I give you the full view. So hang in there. There he is. He's just sitting on top of the house. Then I laid one on the side too. You can cover this whole house with all these little skeletons. I have a couple hanging on the side because that's his friends, and they're going to have a party and hand out candy to everyone if they don't scare the kids away. How creepy is that? And I also use the same netting just for like a table runner to make it even creepier. And think about it. This table runner was only $1.25, and you get tons of it. Okay, DIY number 5 is this little jar. And I'm going to put some glitter in it because it's zombie dust. And I'm just going to pour it in there because, you know, zombies, after they decay, they're black. So I'm pouring this whole jar in there, and it's going to be zombie dust, I think. All right, this is, oh, This is zombie bones, and you can get a package of the bones at Dollar Tree. They come in a package. I think I used 2 packages. I'm not positive. But I filled this little zombie jar with tons of bones. And again, this is cute for your parties. You know, you could even get candy and put in it. But this is just going to sit on my table with my other decorations. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Just pop the lid on, and there you have it. And there you have it, bone test and zombie repellent, which was the bones. Pretty simple, guys. Be cute at a party for kids. And there's my little guy. He's really cute. I think I'm going to call him George. George is looking really good. He's holding that hat over his head because it's pretty heavy. And here's our spider with our little glitter skulls. And of course, our skulls with our big guy. He looks a little skinny, doesn't he? And of course, my skull head, which I really like. He's probably the bright spot in this whole DIY. Because he's all glittery and he shines. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Love you. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.